So today I have my first fall clothing haul of the season, and I'm so excited that we're getting into the fall weather. Fall is definitely my favorite season of all, especially because of the fashion. So I'm so excited. I picked up a bunch of pieces from H&M, which I think are really cool, and I love shopping at H&M because they have such trendy pieces at an affordable price. So all of the pieces that I'm going to be showing you guys today, I'm going to be linking in the description box in order that you see them in, as well as all of my sizing details below. I'm also going to be including in this video how I would style each piece of clothing and how I would wear it throughout the season. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First off, I have this really cute black charcoal gray colored denim dress, and this is my favorite piece by far from this entire haul because I love the way it fits. It's like really stretchy, but it looks like a hard denim material, and then I absolutely love the puff sleeves. You could definitely dress this piece up or you could dress it down. I am wearing it here with a pair of clear heels, but I would definitely dress it down with like a pair of sneakers and a crossbody bag for a more casual look. But you could definitely wear this to like date night, or if you're going to like a wine vineyard or doing any fall activities. I think this dress is absolutely perfect, and I really love the puff sleeves because I feel like it makes it look a little bit more feminine. I'm wearing a size small here, so it does fit pretty true to size, but again, this denim does have a little bit of stretch to it, and I think it was around $30, so I think that's a really good price point for the quality of the dress. Next up is my second favorite piece from the haul, and it's actually this sweatshirt that I'm wearing right here, and it says the Rolling Stones, and I think graphic tees are honestly in trend every single season. And I love the contrast of the gray and the white. I think it just pairs so well together. I think this sweatshirt is just like the perfect amount of edgy, but you could definitely make it a little bit more feminine. Like I have it paired here with a white denim skirt and some white sneakers. You can dress it up if you want to put some heels on and maybe like a black leather skirt, but I think this outfit is just so cute to go out and about and like maybe go for lunch or go shopping. I definitely am going to get so much use out of this sweatshirt. I would also pair it with like a mom style pair of jeans, and again with the white sneakers. That's just a way more like relaxed casual look. And this sweatshirt also does have writing on the back of it, which I think is really cool, and it does have a hood. So I personally like sweatshirts with hoods better. I think they're just a little bit more comfortable and cozy than a regular crew neck. I wear sweatshirts so much more than I wear like fancier tops or clothes. I just think they're so comfortable, and you really can't go wrong with the sweatshirt. The skirt that I have paired with this sweatshirt is also from H&M, and it's just this white like jegging material denim. It's really comfortable and it's really stretchy. So by tucking the sweatshirt into like a nice crisp white skirt really brings out the wording and the letters, but I personally like this style. I always tuck my sweatshirts into any kind of skirts, whether they're tight or they are flowy. But if you're looking for just like a classic denim white skirt that you could wear through all the seasons, I definitely recommend checking this out. It does fit a little bit on the smaller size, so I size up to a size 6. I'm usually like a size 4 in skirts, and the skirt is at such a good price point. It is $14.99, and I also love that it's frayed at the bottom. I just think it gives a little bit more of a vintage worn-in look. So next up, I have such a good basic piece, and it's this nude colored oversized t-shirt. I've been looking for like a really nice, not too oversized boxy t-shirt, which I think this is the perfect one. It comes in so many different shades: gray, black, white. I'm definitely gonna pick it up in a bunch of more shades. I took this one in an extra small just because it was a little bit more oversized, so I did size down 1. I'm usually a small on tops. I really like the length on the sleeves because it does come a little bit longer than a traditional t-shirt, and I really like that it's not tight on the arm either, so it's not constricting and like uncomfortable. But you could definitely just pair this with a pair of jeans if you're going for a more casual look. But if you want to dress it up a little bit, you also could do that too. I have it on here with the Spanx leather leggings. If you're in the market for a really good pair of like faux leather leggings, I highly recommend checking out the Spanx ones. They like suck you in and smooth you out. For the past couple years, I've gotten so much use out of mine. But you could definitely dress this t-shirt up by pairing it with like a pair of black jeans or a pair of leather leggings and a pair of booties. I also think this particular color looks really nice paired with like a denim button up top. I think the combination of the different textures of the fabrics pairs really nicely together and makes a really cute outfit. This next piece I'm going to show you guys is what I was actually just wearing with the t-shirt, and it's this baby blue really soft denim button up top, and I've been wanting a top like this for a while now, and I finally found one at a really good price point. This was $29.99, and I sized up to a medium just because I knew I wanted it to be long enough to wear as a dress. I have it worn here with a pair of knee-high tan booties, and I think again that tan shade looks so pretty against the light denim. These boots I actually picked up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They are from the brand Vince Camuto, and they are definitely such a comfortable classic pair of boots for the fall. And I'll also link all the shoes that I'm wearing with all of these outfits below in case you guys want to check those out as well. But I'm so excited to wear this outfit. You could definitely like dress it down if you really wanted to with like a pair of sneakers, but I just think since this is more of like a masculine style shirt, I think pairing it with a little heel makes it more feminine and a little bit less edgy. And then I would just carry a neutral bag with this outfit. I can't wait to wear it like out to dinner or like to the pumpkin patch. I don't know, but I'm so excited to wear this outfit. I definitely think I'm gonna wear it more than once. Okay, this next piece, I don't have anything in my closet like this. It's actually like a oversized blazer, and I pictured myself wearing it as a dress. I think it would look so chic, especially with like a nice crisp black pair of boots. This is like a tan creamy oatmeal color. I just think the contrast between this color and then like a crisp black pair of boots would go so nicely together. Wearing a blazer as a dress is totally out of my comfort zone. I don't even own a blazer, let alone wearing it as a dress. But I think if you get it big enough, you could definitely get away with it. This is actually a size small, and it does fit me pretty well. So as you can see, this is a little bit oversized. You don't want to style it like I have it here, being worn as a dress. You could also pair it with a skirt, which I would definitely do. And this one I have here is also from H&M, and the colors in it are so perfect for fall. It has like an olive green, brown, black, and cream. This neutral color combo could be paired with so many different things. I have it paired here with like a black tube top, and I think that with the blazer just makes a whole outfit. You're definitely gonna make a statement wherever you go wearing this. I do think this skirt runs a little bit big. I picked it up in a size 4, and I think I could have went down to a size 2. As you can see, it's a little bit longer on me. Again, I'm 5 foot, so it might be a little shorter on you. So it depends really on the person. But this skirt was $24.99. It was a really good price point, and I also really like the pleated details on the front. This is like the perfect fall tone skirt, and I definitely can't wait to style it with more outfits. This next piece I have here is also something that I didn't see myself wearing. It's definitely very out of my comfort zone, but it is this denim dress. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this dress, but I actually think this dress is so cute. I don't own any jean dresses, and when I came across this one at H&M, I literally like had no intention of buying something like this. It looked so cute on the hanger, and it looked even cuter on. I sized down to an extra small in this dress just because it did run a little bit bigger, but this is another piece that you could dress up or you could dress down. I'm wearing it here dressed down with a nice pair of sneakers and a crossbody bag, but you could definitely dress it up. I wore it on Instagram with a pair of black knee-high boots, and I think it just looked so chic, especially paired with like a nice black bag to match. The sleeves are also a little bit more puffy on this dress, which is so cute. I think it does make it a little bit more feminine. I really like that this dress specifically comes with a belt, so you could cinch your waist in, which will give the dress a little bit more shape. But you could definitely wear this dress like on date night if you're going out to dinner with your friends, or if you're doing any fall activities. Denim material is so in trend, especially this time of year. Next up, I have a really nice classic piece, and it is this faux leather skirt. I think leather skirts are the perfect way to dress up any outfit. It just elevates it to a whole nother level, and this one I got from H&M was really affordable. I got it for $29.99, and it did run a little bit big on me. This was a really nice fit around my waist, and then it did have a nice zipper closure in the back. But for me, this was just a little bit too long. I don't know if it's because I'm 5 foot, but I like my mini skirts to be just a little bit shorter. But I was really blown away by the quality. The material is such like a nice, soft faux leather. I definitely recommend checking this out if you want a little bit more of a longer faux leather skirt. But I think I'm going to be returning this just because it's just a little too long for me. I got this in a size 4, so this also did run a little bit big. So I definitely recommend sizing down or just getting your true size. This next top I am so excited about. It's this little white puff sleeve top, and I've been looking for a top like this for so long. I think it's the perfect twist on like a plain basic basic white top. I just think the puff sleeves make it look so feminine, and it's a really light, breathable material. I think this top is so classic. I think this would look so perfect paired with a black pair of skinny jeans, and then throw on like a pair of heels and a nice bag if you're going out to dinner and you need to dress it a little bit up, but you could also dress it down with like a pair of blue jeans and sneakers. I just think this is the perfect top to have in your closet, and this was only $12.99, so it's really affordable. I did size down to a size extra small in this top just because I wanted it to be a little bit more fitted. I definitely am gonna get so much use out of this for seasons and seasons to come. Next up, I have the prettiest blouse, and as soon as I saw this, I knew I had to get it just because the pattern is so pretty. It has little purple and white flowers all over it. The arms are actually a little bit sheer, which I think is so pretty. I think the shape of this top is so flattering. It is ruched in the front, and then it has a square neckline, which always looks good in my opinion. I would definitely dress this up with a leather skirt or like a black pair of skinny jeans. It's always good to keep cute little blouses in your closet, especially when you're like going out to dinner and you don't know what to wear. You could just grab a blouse, you could throw on a pair of jeans, a pair of heels, and you instantly have an outfit. So all of these pieces that I've showed you so far are considered like new in on H&M's website, except for this, and I actually got this like on the clearance rack. It's just like a black utility looking jacket, and I think this is the perfect layering piece for the fall. I think it would look so pretty paired with like a classic t-shirt and just a pair of jeans, but I definitely wanted to show you guys this anyway. I'm going to try to see if I could find it online. I got it for $7.99 on the clearance rack, so I think this was the perfect find. Again, I'm definitely going to try to link it below if I could find it, but if not, I will link similar options. So the next item I have here is this gray kind of everyday style dress. It is t-shirt material. I really like this one specifically because it's actually ruched on the side, so you could tighten it and make it shorter if you want, or loosen it and make it longer. But I think this is the perfect dress to have in your closet. You could wear it as a layering piece, or you could wear it on its own. I would just style it with a pair of white sneakers and a crossbody bag. You could run errands in it, you could go out to dinner in it. I just think it's the perfect dress to have in your closet. It was only $17.99, and then the sleeves do come a little bit longer and snug to your arm, which I think is really nice and flattering. I also saw in the store they had a really pretty lilac purple color, but I just figured I would pick the gray up just because it's a neutral and I could get more use out of it. So that's going to conclude all of the pieces from today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I picked up from H&M for the fall season. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I highly recommend you do. I will pop my username up here, and then I will link my profile in the description box. But if you want to follow me there, you'll see how I eventually style all of these pieces. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I plan on doing many more fall fashion videos throughout the season from a bunch of different retailers, so definitely stay tuned for that, as well as my next video is going to be a fall shop with me, home decor and food items. So I'm actually filming that tomorrow. I'm really excited to go shopping. That's most likely going to be up on Sunday. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one.